Well, someone asked me, how do you feel in meditation? How I can understand the essence of meditation? What happens in meditation? Actually, basically, this question is wrong. You must ask me, how can I start meditation? How can I go deeper in meditation? What is the method? What is the right way? It will be more clear with this small story. There were 5 friends. One of them saw a big advertisement in a newspaper. The advertisement was about a sweet shop. He told his friends and he said, "See, you all are ignorant. I have found this advertisement. There is a shop in our city. We can go and we can have sweets from there." All 4 thanked him. The second one visited the shop. The shop was closed. He got the list of all the sweets and he went back and he has given the report to his friends that, I know more than him because he got only advertisement, but I saw the shop and I know the list of all the sweets. These are the sweets available there. The third person visited there. He stopped there for some time. The shop opened and he saw the display, the colors of sweets. Very colorful sweets were displayed there. He noted, he came and he reported to his friends that I know more than these 2. One saw only advertisement, second saw the list, names only, but I can tell you the colors, the features, the shape, so much beautiful. Then the 4th one visited and he got a list of ingredients, a recipe, free because it was available there. It was an offer that you can have a recipe of any sweet. He came with the recipe and he said that I know the real thing, how they have made the sweets. So I am more knowledgeable than these 3. Then the 5th one visited. He paid money. He purchased sweets. He tasted sweets and he came. The 4 asked him that what you know, explain. He was smiling and eating sweet and he told that I am very sorry. I don't know the exact address of the shop. I don't know the names of these sweets. Even I can't explain the color. Even I don't know the recipe. But I am having the test. And this is unexplainable. I cannot explain it. I cannot tell it. This is something experience. And for getting an experience, you have to pay something. You have visited the shop, you met the shopkeeper, you saw the sweets, you got the ingredients, list of ingredients, but you did not pay. But I paid. I paid something and I got the sweets and now I am having a test. These all 4 said that you are idiot. Your communication is not up to the mark. That's why you are not able to explain. Why can't you explain this taste of the sweets? And the 5th man who was eating the sweets, he was simply smiling and eating and enjoying the sweet. The same way, when you are ready to pay your time and energy, when you are ready to pay yourself for getting the test, you will find the test of meditation. So I cannot explain the test. I am having it. I am enjoying it. I am ecstatic. How you can be, that I can tell you. Just test it. Pay time and energy. Sit silently and the things will happen to you. And whatever will happen to you, that will be the test of meditation.